All right, so here's everything that you need to know about your saved recipes. You're going to go up into your recipes window, and these are my saved recipes. As you can see up here, I have 13 saved recipes so far from all different kinds of blogs and all different kinds of food. I've got chicken, I've got beef, I've got banana bread, all kinds of things. So here's one way to look at your recipes. You can just scroll through here just like it looks on the website. And this is really nice because it's beautiful pictures and you can see very clearly what the name of the recipe is and where it's from. Another way to look at it is to go up here to this little filter bar, click on it, and it says view as a list. Now, this actually is the best way to look at your recipes because it gives you a ton of information. It shows you the title of the recipe. It shows that you have saved it or not with the heart. It shows you the publisher in a list over here. And it also shows you the serving size and how many ingredients this uses. I love that because sometimes I just don't want to deal with a lot of information and I just want to have very few ingredients so I don't have to overdo it on the how many ingredients am I using tonight. Another way to look through this same list is to click up here on the magnifying glass. And here's something really cool. Let's say that I have 100 recipes and I want to look at all of my chicken recipes because that's what I want to make tonight. It will scroll and see, or it will filter and see how many chicken recipes you have in your saved recipes. Very, very cool. Then you can filter it in a different way. You can say my newest chicken recipes, or you can say alphabetical. That's really cool. But then if you want to look at all of your recipes, you go over here to the search bar, click out, delete, and it goes back to all of your recipes that you have. So you just need to remember to delete that out once you're looking for that. Another thing that you can do on this page is you can unsave recipes. So let's say that you've made these chipotle, lime, and shrimp bowls a bunch of times and you weren't really a big fan of it, or you just didn't really feel like making it again. You just click on the heart, a little window pops up, and then you say, do you really want to remove it? Yes, I do. And it takes it right off of your saved recipes. So that's a little tour of your saved recipes. Hopefully that was helpful.